ready for a big celebration now. But the Lord will come there and say thank you. Give you a signature move. Right now. Come on. Take a nice shot. Take a nice picture. Thank you, everyone. Super cool. Wow. The last celebration è totale la fine della parte della video di now. So, with the music, everybody, clap your hands, Sakura! All right. Friends, don't forget, after the post we show you something exclusive. We show you something awesome. The Dolphin Love, the Dolphin Suffering. The stars, coming on the hall. We're coming in Luna News Hall. We want to remind you of and outside to News Hall, she's a really exclusive and something that I'm telling you now, with a lovely and this lovely famous, everybody, I need to help with the music. Clap your hands to the open, Sakura! Before we start the activities, we have to know the species and arena. Bottlenose stone from the Black Sea in the African soil. They call them bottlenose because the shape of the mouth look like a bottle of water. يعني شكل الفم يشبه عروق الماء الزجاجية اللي بتصير bottle هذا اللقب. And now let's double the rate. Let's do it with Luna and water. Look, she's trying to collect the race together. What a smart daughter. Yeah! That is awesome. All right now, everybody, get the cameras ready now. The dolphins are coming here. Take a nice picture. I can't believe this is without beautiful people like you that are free. Lucy from the Dolphin. Thank you. Luna, Gabriel. Everyone now look up to the SpongeBob. Let me tell you something. Most of the behavior in watching it's a natural behavior, a part of the enrichment. It's a love. Say what? I'm so happy to see everyone here. They say welcome. Also welcome the beautiful children from Rosary School, Moera Sharjah. They say,
They are the guardians in the water, using the power of the tail. Ready, set, fire! Let me tell you something. Did you ever know a dolphin have the capability to swim 40 to 42 kilometers per hour? Mashallah, faster than my scooter. Let's go. Let's play some more sports. Basketball, futsal, dalapin, dalapin. Next time play the game. Let's do pura.
Now we can say you are three dolphins in one drink and then we want to Why am I saying that? Because dolphins can jump more than 7 meters over the water. People use them for a lot. And remember, jumping over the water is a natural behavior above the amusement. The big ball. Luna, David. Now, my friends, I will ask you with all respect to all of you, put your mobile phone down and keep your arms in front of your face like this. Now, why? Dolphins, and be careful for the kids, because dolphins will shoot this big ball to you with full power and speed from any direction.
Alright, keep your hands in front all the time. All the kids, come on, put your hands up. The those in school, children, hands up. All the way from Kuala, Sharjah. And shoot. Your ball, assist. One ball. Luna. Thank you.
Dolphins have a strong tail. The power comes from the tail. We call it fluid. Fluid is the capture the tail in summer fluid. Now they will use it to do the aqua boost, but it doesn't know it. I mean, look at the big ball. Look at the big ball one more time. First on the line. Luna. Floyd. Second on the line. Gabriel. Floyd. Friends, for communication, Dolphin is using sounds and body language. التواصل الداخلي بشكل الأصوات ولغة الجسد. So with all respect to all of you, my الاحترام الجميع, listen to the dolphin sounds. Wow. Now to show you a great connection between the dolphins, the great relation, with a lovely music, with the DJs. Dolphins dancing party. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, hey, hey. To the floor, come on, rolling back, señores, señorita, Dolphins, vamos, Dolphina, vamos, DJ.
It's time for dancing together. Dancing trio. Dance, shake, and then march out. Hey, hello. Shakira.
My friends, look here on the blue stage at Western Plaza. Dolphins will do something like Michael Jackson ruled by the Dolphin style. We call it beaching time. The way they catch the fish in the water. Now, zoom. Wow! One more time. One more time. They are not the fish, they are not the sharks. They are slow, amazing mammals. We call them dolphins, we don't call them fish. Go ahead, be born in the family. You see, I have my special dance, break dance. مش أسماء ولا أسماء تشتكل ضربيات قوية كبيرة نسميهم دلافين ما نسميهم أسماء. And now the last separation of the here. Before we show you another talent. Yalla, dolphins, yalla, everybody, clap your hands, come on. Clap your hands, everybody, clap your hands, everybody. Yes, sir. Now, dolphins are going to do something. Listen, Magdalene, this is Gabriel, the leader of this group, with one more leg. Dolphins, my friends, are carnivore. They eat fish, sweet ingredients, goblin, and everywhere is salad. They have up to 100 teeth inside the mouth, and they do not chew the food, they swallow the food directly, and they eat the water from the food like fish. They do not drink the water directly. عند التقليل يحسن تعليمه ما بيطلع الطعام يتعود بشكل مباشر بحصل الماء هذا الطعام ما بيشرب الماء بشكل مباشر. شو بياكلوا؟ السمك الصغير، البطاط، الريكة، وفضل عندهم السلمون. لأنه really nice. Wow. I'm looking here with Yoga. Luna was looking here and she's saying something. So can we ask Luna if she likes the painting? Okay, Luna, tell everybody, tell your fair lady Olga, you like this painting? She said no. So I think Luna today has a special thing to do. Normally she likes, today I don't know. Luna is beautiful, cute dolphin. I think she'll show us a fish. Butterfly. No, what is it? Oh, it's a heart. Come on, everybody, clap your hands for Luna. Anybody want the painting? You can ask our team there or come ask me in my partner after the show. With the painting, you will get a free photo with the dolphins. My painting, like Hasasudo Mashini. Any photo with the dolphins, it will be maximum 500. That allows 16 and the 6 ones a day. Remember,